Welcome to English Learning Fast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English channel, where learning English is both easy and fun.
Hello, Lily, and hi, everyone.
Yeah.
It is so wonderful to be here with you today.
Yeah. I am very happy to join this episode with all of you.
I am happy too, Lily, and you look very good today because you do not look tired like last time.
Yes, you are right, and I am not tired today because I had a very big sleep last night. Plus, I enjoyed my green tea this morning.
How are you doing today, Lily? And what kind of morning have you had so far?
I am doing great, thank you, because I have my big warm coffee here and the sun is shining brightly outside.
It really is a beautiful day, and I am excited because you told me we have a very important topic to discuss today.
Yeah. Yes, we do. And today we are going to talk about something everyone needs when they meet a new person.
Introducing yourself is so important because I sometimes feel a little nervous when I meet a new person.
Everyone feels a little nervous at first, but introducing yourself is like a key that opens the door to a new friendship or a new opportunity. Yeah.
Now, that is a nice way to say it, and I really like that comparison to a key.
Yeah. Before we give everyone that key, and we have to ask for a small favor from our wonderful listeners. Please and subscribe to the Mr. English channel.
Yes.
Because we want to make many more podcasts for you.
Everyone, if you like our chats, please click the like button right now because it is a big help for us.
Do not forget to share this episode with your friends, especially if they are learning English too.
Okay, William, are you ready to start this lesson properly now?
I am ready because my shoulders are back, I have a big smile, and I feel fully prepared.
Good job. And that is actually the first tip because a smile and good body language are very important when you say hello.
Yeah. So I walk to a person, I smile, and I say hello, but then what exactly do I say next?
The most basic thing is your name, and there are actually different natural ways to say your name.
I usually just say, I am William, and that feels very natural and friendly to me.
I am William is very natural and friendly, while you can also say, my name is William in certain situations.
Yeah. My name sounds a little bit more formal than I am.
Yeah.
I
am Lily is very common with friends.
Yeah.
While my name is Lily works great for a meeting at work. Yeah.
My name is William.
Yeah.
And sounds very professional and appropriate for the situation.
Sometimes people have long names, but they also have a short name that we call a nickname.
That is very helpful because it makes the conversation feel more relaxed and comfortable right away.
After the name, people usually want to know where you are from. And so this is a classic part of the introduction.
This is where I say, I am from Brazil, and that is a simple, clear sentence.
You can also say your city and give more information to make the introduction richer.
Yeah. If you live in a different place now, you can say, I am from Brazil, but I live in London now.
That is a great sentence because it tells a small story and makes the other person curious to ask more.
It helps the conversation keep going naturally instead of stopping after just one word.
The third part of a good introduction is often about what you do, including your job or your studies.
I can say I am a teacher or I am a podcast host, depending on the situation.
Right. If someone does not have a job right now, they can talk about what they are interested in or currently doing.
That is good to know because it is really about sharing a little bit of your life with others.
Here is a pro tip, William, because you should not just talk about work, but also mention something you love, like a hobby.
I love that idea because it makes me sound more fun and interesting to the other person.
If you say you love cooking Italian food or that you are a big fan of movies, and the other person can connect with you more easily.
Yeah, like you and your coffee, Lily, because you can say, I am Lily and I really love coffee.
People actually remember me as the girl who loves coffee, and it is a good way to be remembered positively.
Name, country, or city job, and a hobby together create a very good introduction overall.
We are missing one very important thing because after you talk about yourself, you must ask the other person something.
A conversation is like a game of tennis, and so you hit the ball back to them with a question.
You can ask, "How about you?" or "What is your name?" to keep the conversation flowing naturally.
Is it different when you meet someone at a party compared to a job interview?
At a party, you can be very informal
Yeah.
and you can say how you know the person who invited you.
That is a very easy way to start
Yeah.
because it immediately gives you a natural connection.
When you meet someone in the morning, you can use good morning, while good afternoon and good evening also sound very polite.
Good night is usually for when you are leaving or going to sleep rather than greeting someone.
You are learning so fast, William, and you are doing an excellent job today. Yeah.
Let us try a little practice by pretending we are meeting for the first time at a coffee shop.
I love this idea because I am sitting at a table with my coffee right now.
Okay. Hello, is this seat free and may I join you here for a moment?
Yes, it is. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Thank you.
Thank you. I am William, by the way, and I am waiting for my tea to arrive.
Nice to meet you, William. I am Lily, and are you from around here originally?
Actually, no, because I am from Brazil, but I am visiting a friend here right now.
I live just 5 minutes away, and I come here every day for my coffee.
What do you do, Emily, and how do you spend most of your time?
I am a podcast host, and I love talking to people. So,
Yeah.
what about you?
I am a teacher, and in my free time, I like to save money for a new bicycle.
That is a great goal, and it was very nice to meet you, William. Yeah.
It was nice to meet you too, Lily, and that felt very natural.
Yeah. If you have a plan in your head and the words come out much easier during real conversations.
Yeah. You do not have to be loud like Tom because you can be quiet and still give a great introduction.
A small smile and a simple hello.
Yeah, hi.
I am Lily.
Yeah.
I am new here is often enough.
What should I do if someone asks a question I do not understand during an introduction?
Do not panic because you can simply say, "I am sorry. Can you repeat that, please?"
Most people are very kind, and they will respect you when you are brave enough to speak a new language.
I am always so proud of our listeners because they are doing a great job every single day.
First, always start with a smile and say hello, and then share your name naturally.
Tell people where you are from and add your job or studies, plus something fun like a hobby.
The most important part is to ask them a question back.
Yeah.
So the conversation keeps going nicely.
You are ready to meet anyone now.
Yeah.
And I feel confident about your introductions.
I want to go to a park and meet new people using everything we practiced today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode about introducing yourself because it was so much fun to create.
Please tell us in the comments what is your name, where you are from, and one thing you love.
We love reading your introductions, and it is our favorite part of the day.
If this episode helped you, please click the like button and share it with a friend and subscribe.
Thank you so much for being with us today because you are all truly amazing.
Yeah. Practice your introduction today, even if it is just in the mirror at home.
See you next time, everyone, and bye for now.
Thanks for watching English Learning Fast. Don't forget to subscribe.